Good evening and welcome to USA Rapid Update YouTube channel. Your go-to source for breaking news. I'm Arif and tonight our top story. A massive winter storm dubbed Fern has brought the entire East Coast to standstill, leaving millions without power and travel in coast. From the icy coast of Maine down to the Carolinas, Winter Storm Fern has delivered a punishing blow, dumping feet of snow and unleashing blizzard force winds. State of emergency have been declared across multiple regions as essential service struggle to cope with the extreme conditions. The human impact of Storm Fern is significant. Millions are without power, facing freezing temperatures inside their homes. Utility crews are working tirelessly, but restoration efforts are hampered by the sheer scale of the damage and ongoing blizzard conditions. Travel has become a nightmare. Thousands of flights have been cancelled, extending travels across the country. Major highways are either closed or extremely dangerous, with countless accidents reported. As the storm slowly begins to move offshore, the recovery effort will be immense. We will continue to bring you the latest updates on Winter Storm Fern and its aftermaths. For now, stay safe, stay warm, and heed the warning of local authorities. That's all for tonight's news text. I'm Arif. Good night.